Hi children, welcome to your home school. This is your next session of Mathematics Basics. In this session, we are going to learn about the rules for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Children, you all know what are integers? The combination of natural and whole numbers with the negative numbers, or we can say that whole numbers with the negative numbers are called as the integers. Okay, now we are going to start knowing about the rules of addition and subtraction now. So look here. Same sign. Here there are four signs, you know, right? What are those? Addition means plus, subtraction means minus, multiplication means into, division means divided by, right? So now we are going to talk with the plus and minus sign now. Two signs, same sign. Same sign means what, children? Either it may be plus plus or minus minus. Okay, if any numbers, any two numbers, if you have both positive sign, you are adding. What you are going to get here? Followed with a plus sign. Okay, and again you need to add followed with a negative sign. Look here, add the number. This number is add, I am saying here. Look here, understand the concept carefully. If any two numbers are having both positive sign, what you need to do? Plus 2 plus 3 there. Okay, what you are going to do? Add the two numbers and take plus sign. Suppose if you have minus 2 minus 3 there. So what you are going to do, children? Add the two numbers and take the negative sign. Okay, let's see the examples also there. Have both same sign. Either it may be positive or it may be negative. What we need to do here? We need to add the numbers and take the sign what you are followed here. Suppose you have here plus 2 plus 3 there. So what you are going to do? 2 and 3 you need to add and write it here. And you are going to follow with the plus sign here. So same manner, suppose you have minus 5 minus 3 there. So what you are going to do here? Add the two numbers. Don't worry about the signs first. Add the numbers. If both the numbers are having same sign, add the numbers. 5 plus 3 will be how much? Add and write here. That is 8. And what sign you have? Negative. Take the negative. That is your answer is minus 8. Similarly, what we have done before, no children, plus 3 plus 2 will be plus 5. Okay. Shall we do some more examples here? This is only for the same sign. So now children, minus 7 minus 2 is how much? So what you need to do here first? Don't bother about the sign. Add the numbers. 7 plus 2 will be how much? 9. Followed with the sign what it is common. Same manner. Suppose you have 11 plus 11 plus 17. So what you are going to do? Having both same sign, that is positive. So add these two numbers, 28 followed with the positive sign. Two more examples here. Minus 50 minus 32. So now when both the numbers are followed with a negative sign, what we need to do, children? Add the numbers and take a negative sign. Add these two numbers, what you are going to get? 82. Take negative sign, minus 82. These are all the examples for if they have same sign. Next, different sign. What do you mean by different sign, children? One number is followed with one sign and another number followed with another sign. Suppose it may be plus 3 minus 2. Then how to solve that type of problems? Look here, different sign. Subtract the number. So, let us see here example here, children. Let's see the example carefully. Suppose minus 3 plus 2 I am taking. Okay. Subtract the number, follow the sign of greatest number. So whatever be the two numbers, minus 3 plus 2 there, what you need to do, don't worry about the signs. In 3 you subtract 2. What you are going to get here, children? 1. And what the sign you are going to take? Follow with the greater number sign. What you have? Minus. So similarly, let us take 10 minus 4 plus 10 minus 4 there. Both are different signs. Both are not same, right? If they are different, what we need to do? First, we need to subtract the two numbers and followed with the greatest number sign. Subtract here, children. 10 minus 4 will be 6. What is the greatest number having sign? Plus. Okay. Similarly, let's do 3 or 4 examples here. 11 minus 18 and then minus 20 plus 3. Then again minus 15 minus 15 plus 2 is equal to. Now answer these three, children, here. So first, if you see, both the signs are different. First thing what we need to do, subtract. 18 minus 11 will be how much? 7. Okay. Now what sign you should follow this number here? Greatest number sign, what it had? Minus. Take minus sign. Similarly, do here, similarly, minus 20 plus 3, what we need to do? First, you do subtraction. Don't bother about the sign. Sign already we know that both the signs are different. So 20 minus 3 will be 17. Followed with the greatest number sign means minus. Okay. So now next number here, children. Minus 15 plus 3. First you do subtraction. 15 minus 2 will be 13. Followed with the greatest number sign means minus. Okay. This is the way we do the addition, subtraction followed with the two signs. Once again I repeat here, if both signs are same, add the number, take the sign. Either it may be positive or it may be negative. So minus sign means again you may feel that, oh, I need to subtract. No, not like that. If both the numbers are followed with a negative sign, add the numbers and take negative sign. If both the numbers are with the positive sign, add the numbers, take the positive sign here. Then next condition, if they are having different signs, means one positive, one negative. At that time what I have to do here? So subtract the two numbers and take the sign what the greatest number is having. Okay, observe the greatest number. For that number, which sign is followed, that sign you have to follow in your answer. Now we are going to see multiplication. Multiplication, what happens here, children? When we multiply these signs, suppose plus into plus. Okay, observe here. Minus into minus. What we are going to get here, children? Plus into plus, it will be plus. Minus into minus, it will be plus. Okay. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, it will be minus. So here again, see here, children. Again two divisions here. What is that? If two signs are same, when you are multiplying, you are going to get a positive answer. So what you are going to do? Multiply the number, and if you multiply these two signs, you will get a positive answer. Though the two numbers having positive or both the numbers having negative, your result must be positive. So if any one of the sign is different, then what we are going to get here, children? Answer negative. So here in multiplication of these two signs, have to remember here, if both the signs are same, if you multiply, you are going to get a result of positive answer. If any one sign is different, if you multiply, you are going to get a negative sign as an answer here. So let's see the example for this four type. One example I am going to give here, children. Suppose let it be plus 3 into minus 2 is plus 3 into plus 2 is how much? Plus into plus, it will be plus 3 2s are 6 is your answer. Okay, so similarly minus 5 into minus 7, how much? So look here, always you can take this in brackets. Minus into minus, it will be plus. Look there, if you multiply minus into minus, it will be plus. So 5 7s are 35. Children, if any two numbers having both same sign, if you have, you are going to get a result when you multiply followed with a positive sign. Suppose your number minus 7 into plus 2. So what is this answer here, children? Minus into plus, it will be minus. 7 2s are 14. Okay, similar 3 into minus 4 is how much? So look here, how much it is? Plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12. So when any one sign is different, you are going to get an answer followed with a negative sign, and if you multiply, you are going to get the answer. Okay, value won't be changed, children, here. Only the sign you will do mistake in exams. Now let's see here, children, division rules here. When we divide any two numbers followed with the same sign, your result will be positive. Either it may be plus plus, you will get plus, or if it is minus by minus, you are going to get plus sign. So if both signs, same signs are divided, you are going to get a result of positive answer. Suppose if any one sign is different, when you are dividing, always you get a negative answer there. That only you need to remember here, children. These two belongs to positive answer, these two type belongs to negative. So let's see an example here itself. Once again I repeat, any positive integer is divided by positive integer, you are going to get a positive integer answer. And if any negative integer is divided by negative integer, that result is also positive. If any negative integer is divided by positive integer, you are going to get a value negative, or reverse is also negative. So let us see here. Plus 10 by plus 5. So what happens here, children? 5 1s are 5 2s are. That is plus 2 is your answer. Okay, same value I am going to take here. Minus 10 minus 5 I am taking. So here what is happening? How do you divide here? Minus minus will be cancelled, children. So only it becomes positive there. Okay, when any negative value is divided by negative, negative will be cancelled. So now 5 2s are 10. That is positive 2 is your answer. Suppose plus 10 by minus 5 you are getting here. Okay, so now how do you write this number, children? Many of the children will do wrong here. So what happens here? Plus by minus will be minus 5 2s are 10. See here, 1 by minus 2 it will be. Right? When you are multiplying, you can send your negative sign to the numerator also. So look here, suppose if you multiply a negative for this in order to bring to the numerator, look here, observe carefully here. What am I doing here? So when you multiply a negative sign for numerator and denominator, what happens here? Minus into plus will be minus 1, minus into minus will be plus 2. So what happened here? That negative came to the numerator. So directly I can say it is 1 by minus 2 or minus 1 by 2 also I can say this. So now similarly minus 10 by plus 5. Again minus by plus will be negative 5 2s, that will be minus 2 is your answer. So like this, children, we are going to do the problems carefully. We should learn carefully. By seeing the numbers or a signs, we should be able to analyze what are the addition rules of integers. Okay, if both signs are same, what we need to do? We need to add and take the sign what they have. Suppose if any one sign is different, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract and take the sign of a greatest number. Multiplication, when you are doing here, if both signs are same, if you multiply, you will get a positive value. If any one sign is different and if you multiply, you are going to get a negative value. And if you divide with the same signs, you are going to get a positive value. If you divide with any different signs, you are going to get a negative value. Okay, children, like this, you try to learn and try to solve many examples, then you will be perfect.